Given to you, highest gift.
Based on material things or
Don't
what?
suffocate them.
Gift is gift.
Gifts like a
Let
guy have given
the
me
poor
like 500k.
breathe.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Double Grace, the Urgent 2K guy. I'm here with my boss.
Cheesy.
Nice to meet you, Cheesy.
Thank you.
Wow, you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow. Can you tell us a secret about this your beauty?
Secret what?
About this your beauty.
I don't have any secret though. It's God
Okay, it's God.
all the way.
Okay, Cheesy, can you please tell us what you like most about yourself?
Myself.
Yeah.
I'm a very simple girl.
70 years old man.
I like association with everybody and I laugh too much.
You be mumu.
Okay, you laugh for a living.
Yes, I laugh for a living.
Okay, so Cheesy, do you have a boyfriend or are you single?
I'm single.
We are single.
Yes.
Okay, what kind of guy do you like if you want to be in a relationship?
A very simple guy. A guy that is very natural, not bragging. That kind of a simple guy that used to have a private life. What else? A guy that will give me money because money is the root of all evil.
You think so? You wise?
You like money?
Why wouldn't I like money, one?
Okay, you like money. Okay, Cheesy, do you have any ex?
Yes, I have an ex.
How many ex?
About 5.
5 ex.
Yes.
Okay, can you tell us the highest gift a guy have given to you? Highest gift.
Based on material things or what?
A gift. Gift is gift.
Don't suffocate them.
Gifts like a guy have given me like 500k.
Let the poor
100k.
Yes,
breathe.
a guy have, like many things.
suffocate.
Like I used to appreciate something. A guy have given me money for Bond Street. A guy have given me money for my school fees. A guy have given me money for my lodge. Like a lot of things, material things. So
Okay, what gift, highest gift that you are giving to a guy?
Can never make it.
his gifts. Okay.
You are a failure. You are a failure.
Yes,
You
gifts.
can never make
In
it.
my own mind, in my
You
own
can
experience,
never. You know you cannot
it's
make
money,
it.
nothing else.
How much?
Because I can't say love. Like 200k.
You do not love.
I love, but I cannot say that love is the highest gift I've given to a guy. Because love is not everything.
Love is not everything.
Yes.
Okay, Cheesy. Okay, like in your last past relationship, what is the worstest thing you hate in a guy? Like your red flag in a guy.
know.
Not being truthful. Because my last relationship led me to, like, I found out my ex, let me just put it like, my ex was like dating my family friend.
Wow.
Somebody I called my friend. So they are dating at my back and they are like playing with me
Okay, they're playing with your
emotions.
The time you
So
find out, how do you feel?
I feel very bad. What else will I cannot kill myself now? The highest thing I did, like, just to end up the relationship for my life. Nothing else. And I have to move on.
Okay, please don't, this question don't grab it like an insult.
No problem.
Your body count.
My body count.
Don't know.
Yes.
Don't know.
Yes.
Okay, your body count, your age, which one is more higher?
My age.
Your age.
Yes.
Okay, Miss Cheesy, can we play a game?
Okay.
If you win this game, have a chance of winning 2k. Are you in?
I'm in.
In your TikTok account, I followed you on TikTok. In your TikTok account, how many followers do you have in your TikTok account? You have 5 seconds to answer the question. 1, 2.
1,000 something. I don't know. It's 1,000 something.
Nice meeting you, Cheesy. It's not 1,000. It's 1,400, 1,048 followers.
Okay.
Thanks for having you, Cheesy.
Thank you.
It is finished.